Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Okay, here we are at Queensland Raceway. I got my skid wheels on, and before the sun sets, I'm gonna go out and see if I can still drift. Super excited, so let's go. Alright, first time in 12 years. This is awesome. Look, it's still sliding. There you go. Man. That's good. Yeah, dude, I got it. I'm gonna have another go, but then I'm going in because this thing's getting hot. It went around perfect. I hit third coming out even, and it baked in third. Sick. I'm heading. It got really hot though. I might do one more and go in. Oh, I got round alright. Let's have another go. I might try and get the entry a bit better, that was not great. I spun on that one, but my first one back, I did the whole thing, no problem.
Really?
Dude, I was like...
It's holding out?
Huh?
The diff's going good?
Oh, you can feel it open wheeling though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got to throw it. Then I threw it too hard in third, and I spun. Oh well.
Looks like it goes hard, but
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
It's fast. Like it's probably like close to 400 horsepower.
yeah, nice.
I mean, like it's not a slow car, but it skids easy as. Sick. I'm gonna let it cool down. It got really hot.
Yeah.
Oh, we're good. Yep. Sweet. Yo, bro, I can't believe my very first run. I came up. I was like, maybe I was thinking maybe I should just drive around and do 6. I was like,
just came naturally.
I was like, I'm going for it. First run, Christian filmed it. Came in, a little bit sketch because it was like a little bit not good on the handbrake. Like it didn't go out like you'd expect an S13 and then when I booted it, it was like opened a bit, but it kicked and then it stayed out. I feathered, easy, and I'm like, I know what to do. Back, handbrake, down, and a little bit more handbrake, and then back, and then I'm like, oh, diff was a bit sketchy through there, but then I'm like, yeah, I got it, and then I hit third even, which I never did in my Sylvia because not enough torque, obviously, but then my clutch smelled. I didn't feel it slip, but I could smell it.
It's a bit hot, yeah.
And so I did another run, and then tried to do that again and pushed a bit harder. Got a little bit more angle on 6, and then I spun. I hit third and spun. It was being a bit sketchy on the open diff, obviously. So, but it gets around there.
Oh, I have no doubt. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you soon.
Yeah, dude. Sick. Yeah. Oh, it's so good to drift. Up there. Oh no. Oh, he's spun. Yeah, that thing will go out and pull that guy out. I guess a lot of people are struggling with that transition through there. That's not. There it goes. That's sick. Hurry. Yeah, it's alright.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, if you move the car in the right way, you can't tell on the open diff that much. Like, you probably didn't feel the open diff there.
I felt it up for a second, but yeah, like,
Yeah,
you're kind of like really carrying it.
Yeah, you can like overcome it to an extent. What did we get up to? 123.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've just got to like really keep it like on it. But you can, like, when you come out of turn 6, you can fully tell it's an open diff because it doesn't try and fishtail at all. It just comes straight out of it, which is a bit weird, but that's because of the open diff. Like if it was LSD and spinning 2, it'd be like wobbly coming out. Now I want to put it in third. Oh, anyway. That was alright.
Yeah.
I can still drift, man. I was so nervous, like, what if I can't? That makes you the first person I've taken drifting in like 12 years. How about that? Yeah. But yeah, it'd be so much more raspy if it was in my Sylvia.
Yeah.
Like bigger entry and then like you know, turbo spool and the like big fuel pump back there just howling away and everything, like be little stiffer and everything. But to be fair, it probably wouldn't be faster. This thing's reasonably fast, I think. Hey? No, but I mean like road speed while you're drifting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean like that sort of depends on the tyres you're using, I suppose, and I'm using some pretty good tyres. But it's home time and I'm driving home by the looks of things. Nothing broke. I was hitting third gear a couple times and the clutch slipped a little bit, unfortunately. I drove a little easier and stopped putting the car in third to save the clutch, to try and save the clutch there. But it was so much fun and I can't believe I can still drive pretty much just as good as I used to, and especially given this has an open diff and it's still drifted like no problem. And you know, this car's got more power than my Silvio had back when I used to take it to the track. Anyway, I'll probably finish this video when I get home. Well, I got all my stuff back home and it looks like I didn't even dirty it too much. I've got to unload still. It made it home from the drift day. There's all the stuff in the boot. Okay, I'm back to having a car again and it's actually pretty clean, given it's the beige interior and I just had this thing filled with tires and stuff. Anyway, I better end the video there. It's the first time I've taken this car drifting. I'm probably going to put the stock muffler back on, that thing back on there, quieten it down a bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's my first time going drifting in 12 years. Like I've lost my voice a little bit because I was so excited. It was awesome. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Hopefully I'll do it again soon. The car didn't break, I drove home, it was all good. Used heaps of fuel, didn't even use all my tyres. I didn't get to use those ones I painted the other day, even though I bought them, had them there. It was just a Friday night practice, nothing serious. Awesome to get back out there and hopefully I'll be doing it again soon. So stay tuned for that. I got I got plenty more to do with the car, so stay tuned for my upcoming videos. And if you want to share it around, please do. Like if you want, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.